Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, where I post the price predictions without any indicators, pure price action, and most of the time 80% of my time, 80 to 90% of the times the prediction gets good because of the pure price action which I do. Here today I'm gonna predict the price analysis of TLM. Most of my subscribers are from the TLM community, Alien World. Let me show you this one, Alien Worlds community. So today we are going to predict. I have opened the DApp radar here. Let's take a look at the current ranking of the top blockchain dApps, and currently we have this on the top second. This is the second on the top on the list. It is ranked at second on the DApp radar. And I think in the games category, if we go to the games category, uh yeah, Alien Worlds is on the top, although the users have decreased a bit, but that's not an issue. So let's dive deep into it and let's take a look at here. Let's take a look at 7-day history. What do we have here? Transactions and balance. So I'm gonna also do the price prediction here with the help of technical analysis, price action. So we're just taking a look, and let's go head over to the coin market cap, and we have here, yeah, it's absolutely perfect guys, 1 billion. That's it guys, this is wonderful. Volume has increased 53%. It's been silent for many days, you can see here, since the launching. Now I think the beast has awakened. Let's take a look, what do we have here? So guys, this is kind of V shape. I already did the Eve and Adam chart pattern. Let me tell you guys, this is a pattern. Let me show you this one here. So if we take a look at this pattern, Eve and Adam and Eve chart, this is usually happens after the downfall. You can see here price usually go vertical. Okay, here if you take a look at here, the price usually go vertical and then a consolidation, then a move. You can see here we have double top, again type of double top. And let me show you here as well. You can see here we got one top, two top, and then a move down, and then a move up, breakout. If we take a look at here, we have another item and then a move down and move up. Okay, just try to look for it. So here we have this one as well. So let's take a look at here, what pattern do you see guys? Let me check. Yeah, it's recording. So here you see that it is falling. I think this is the Adam Eve, sorry, let me reconfirm it, because I don't use these most of the times. Hey, yes, you can copy this one, this pattern. You can see here the left kind of semicircle, and if we take a look at here, we can see that this is making this kind of semicircle, and after that we have double top here, one sorry, had here one, and that here, that is twice. Okay, now here you can see the pattern, first this one, then first top, and then the second top. Now from here, what happened next? We might see some consolidation again, and then third time with a strong volume move upward. If we take a look at here again, that is it. So let's do the analysis. That was usually the pattern which I was talking about. Now if we follow the same pattern, then what could happen? The price is gonna move here. It has moved, made a first time swing high, then moved down, then again came up second time, double top. So if it gets rejected from this area, or closed, anything close below, below this area, then we might going to see another move down here, consolidation, and then on the third attempt we're surely going to break this level. But still, today is Sunday guys, it's 4 a.m. sorry, yeah, 4 a.m. Sunday. So it's gonna take approximately 1 hour from now, we are going to see a new candle, and perhaps I think this candle is gonna stay above this area, so it's a good sign. It's a very good sign. And what I see from here is, let's take a look. What do we have? We have made this swing high. You can see here the price is getting above this area. Let me draw here. Let me draw this angle. Let me draw this area here. If you take a look at here, you can see here we made double tops here, one, two, and then tested three. Okay, and then on the third attempt it came down, and then after that it came down and down. Now here we have first attempt, it broke out, but the candle close was below this area of supply. Okay, try to understand that below this area of supply, these two are acting as a resistance levels. Let me draw the rectangle for more clear area, for more clear areas. Let me show you this one. Okay, this area I'm talking about, this one. Okay, this one. So right now you can see previously this area was tested, one, two, and if we go back further, we have seen that we got rejection from here. So this area, this rectangular area, is very important area, very important region, and right now it has been broken. You can see here this candle, we have to keep an eye on this candle for next hour. You can see here only 59 minutes are left, but here we can see, if anything, if this candle gets gets down or closed below this area of 0.25, then guys, we might going to see a move downside to this area, to the previous swing high here, or if it breaks further, we can see a move down to this area here at this level. So let me draw the level, let me draw the prices for the, let me turn on the magnitude. Let me show you this one here. We can go down to this area, or we can go down to this area here. Okay, if these levels, if and only if these two levels can only be hit, if and only if this candle closed below 0.25. okay, if it closes above this area, which is, let me show you here at this point, if this candle closes above 0.2745 or anything in between this area, then we might going to see some consolidation at this area, probably a wick downside, okay, to the previous swing high here as well. So this is the current scenario, and let me readjust some more here. Yeah, we can also take this into consideration as well. So I'm gonna extend this chart to approximately this area. Yeah, now it's more a rectangle, it's more a broader rectangle. Now this area is the supply. You can see here 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7. So it is a good sign for TLM, but right now I think, let me take a look at the BTC USD, what its behavior right now. I think, let me show you here, it is testing this 34,000, so we have to be very careful. It needs to close above, so all coins are following the TLM. So right now I think the BTC is falling, and so does this candle is falling. So guys, there are two possibilities. First thing, if we follow the pattern, then the price is gonna come down to this area and we might see some consolidation, and then on the third attempt we're gonna break this area because it has been tested twice, making it a weaker resistance. Then on the third attempt we might going to, right now it is 50-50. On the first attempt, usually what happens, 90% of the time the level gets rejected. On the second attempt, usually there is a chance of 50-50. Okay, 50-50 chance. On the third attempt, there is more of 90% chances of breaking out. Okay, third time, 90% chances of the breakout. So this is the scenario right now. You can see here the candle is closing because this R is very important. So keep an eye on this candle. If it goes below or closes below the area 0.25, then we might going to see the target of 0.1977. Otherwise we might see next target would be, let me show you the next target here. I have to really figure out, because these are not the areas here. These are, you know, continuation of the pattern, no consolidation. But we can take this, can I have to go down to the 4 hour. I have to go down to the 4 hour for the confirmation of areas here. The next target would be this one here. No, this not this one, sorry. Let me redraw it and let me show you this area here. Let me make it bold, and this would be our next target. Okay, this would be our next area of resistance. If the price, you know, if this candle closes above 0.27, then we might be going down to this area here, testing this area of 0.3492, approximately around this area. Okay guys, so this is the current scenario of the TLM. For the long term price prediction, yeah, the price is gonna reach to the $1, but not right now. It's gonna take a lot of time, a lot of volume has to be in, and BTC also has to be in the bullish direction. Otherwise, till then, the price is gonna move like sideways, then move pump, then a little dump, and then correction, and then move up. So that's how the price usually moves. So right now we see on the 4 hour chart as well, you can see here we have longer wicks on the downside, and this candle which is in formation right now, you can see buyers, sellers and buyers both trying to push the price to make this candle at least close above here. Otherwise we might going to see a move down. Okay, so that's it guys, that is the price prediction of TLM. Thank you very much, take care, bye.